In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into an element in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, knowing how to seamlessly incorporate images into your designs can make all the difference. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, open up Canva and select the project you're working on, or start a new design if you haven't already. Now let's head to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll want to click on the Elements tab. This is your go-to place for adding various design components like shapes, graphics, and frames, which will be crucial for today's task. Once you are in the Elements menu, you'll need to scroll down or use the search bar to find frames. Frames are a fantastic tool in Canva. They allow you to mask images, easily positioning them into any shape or form you desire. So let's click on frames. If you don't see the entire selection, make sure to click on See All to browse through every available option. Now that you are in the frames section, it's time for a fun part, choosing a frame that suits your design needs. You can select any frame that complements your project. Once you've made your choice, simply drag and drop that frame into your canvas. You can adjust its size by clicking on any corner and dragging it to the desired dimensions. Next, let's move on to incorporating the image you've selected for this project. Head back over to the left-hand side toolbar and this time click on Uploads. This section allows you to upload your own media files, which is essential when you want to add personal images or elements to your designs. If you haven't uploaded your image yet, you can do so by clicking on the Upload button and selecting the image from your device. Once uploaded, you'll see your images in the Upload section. Now it's time to bring your chosen image to life in the frame. Click on the image you want to use, hold, and then drag it over to the frame you placed earlier on your canvas. Drop the image into the frame. Canva cleverly snaps the image into place, ensuring it fits perfectly within the frame you selected. You can double click on the image within the frame to reposition or resize it as needed. Just click and drag to adjust it exactly how you want. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated image into a custom frame on Canva. This skill can greatly enhance your presentations, social media posts, or any design project you're working on, enabling you to create professional looking content with ease. Keep practicing and you'll be crafting stunning designs in no time. Happy designing!